No, it's on. What kind of gun is this?
357 Magnum.
Ow.
That was in the bullseye, that one.
My ears are ringing. I feel the blast.
Oh, baby, what a kick. I can't take too much of this, bro. Holy crap.
You're still being filmed.
I think there's one left in there, man. I think there's one left. Holy crap.
He's still being filmed. Just to let you know.
Dave don't like it. Turn it off.